Welcome again to our discussion in factoring expressions. Now we have this 25a to the fourth minus 36b to the 8. So ang pinakalantaon gid nimo ana karon is kung naba sila common sa duha ka term, nabay common sa duha, a diri sa b diri ang 25 wala po sila common factor, right? So dili mo na siya na umaling wala sila common. So that's the first step. If you can see common things, you factor that out first. But dani wala man, so you try to take a look again. Now, ang pinaka-common man gyud is nga factor is kani nga form. Basta gali na kay mga differences, kani ang pinaka-common na kuan no? U squared minus v squared is equal to u minus v times u plus v. Pag nagali kayo mo difference sa mga squares, kani ang pinakadali niya nga kuan no, umrag paingnan. In this case, take a look at this one. 25a to the 4th. Somehow, ang 25 na-express nimo as 5 square, right? Ang a to the 4th pwede pod no. So bali na kay idea nga kani siya possible ni siya nga format. So let's express this in terms of square. So 25 ma-express na siya as 5 square, right? Ang a to the 4th could be expressed as a squared. Then square nimo ang a, bali no? Ingan ang idea. How about this one? Well, 36 can be expressed as 6 squared and b to the 8 can be expressed as b to the 4 squared, right? Okay, times naman no? 2 times 2, that's a to the 4. 4 times 2, that's b to the 8, okay? And further, we know that this is, mura na siya 5a squared square. Kung pareho sila og base, niya pareho sila, di sila pareho og base, pareho exponent, pwede naman sila tapukon, then i-erase mo isa ka exponent. Ingana na siya, no? Like here, 5 squared, that's 25. A squared squared, that's a to the 4th, okay? How about this one? Similar to that, it will have here 6b to the 4th squared. Okay? Ingana lang kadali. So karon klaro na kay nga ingon ani ni siya no. Bali ako ang u, mo ni siya ang u, mo ni ang ako ang v. So therefore the factor will be u minus v. U will be 5a squared. V will be, well, v will be 6b4. Wait, medyo 6b to the 4th. Okay? How about the other one? Well, here will be, we'll have 5a squared plus 6b to the 4th. Just simply follow the kanang format, okay? U minus v times u plus v, okay? Okay, now we may continue factoring if we can find out that this is still factorable. Take note na ang a naka-square pa no, ang b to the 4th, meaning pwede pa naman express ang b as what? No, b squared square, right? Ang a pod a square. So more or less basin pwede pa, but take note na ang 5 wala na, di naman siya na-express nimo as kuan. Like 2 square, 4 man na siya, o di man siya perfect square. So bali, pwede naman i-express mo as square root of 5 times that, but we don't want to do that. No, we don't want to introduce square roots, okay? Meaning taman lang ta sa kuan, okay? Mas complex man gud siya, mas dili ganahan nga ma-introduce ni siya nga idea. So taman lang ta nga makaproduce patag whole number nga mga factor o kuan no kanang ay kanang nice pa nga imong dagway na sa imong factor. So we don't want to do that. That's why we end it here. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, let's verify if we want to verify. Let a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Ano, yun na lang. Okay, dako ang a no, ano lang. b equal to 2, a equal to, shall we say, 3. Let us check kung atong answer kay pareho lang bagihapon, okay? So if that will be the case, b is equal to 2. Kasi nagbuot, ano, ako lang nagbuot, no? Gusto ko ganang di na 1 kay para may bawaan gyud ako ang certain ko nagkamali-mali bata sa pag-square or pag-raise, okay? What is this now? 25 a to the 4th. Oh, pila man ang a to the 4th? Vlogs, no? Calculate na lang nako ba? Pwede ba mag-calculate? Let's try. Calculate na lang nako. A to the 4th, that's what? That's pila gid na siya? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Right? 81. So 81 times 25 pila man na? 2025 ni siya, no? So kaning term 2025 na siya. Minus pila man ang b to the, pila gali ng b to the 8? Pila man ang b? 2. 2 times Siguro i-raise diri no. Ako lang gamiton ng power yung function na agalit ni siya kanino murag 2 raised to the 8 256 times 36. That will be 9216. So this is 9216. So dapat ang answer kay no pag imo na silang i-multiply pilang answer na 9216 times no 2025 minus 9216. Okay, the answer must supposed to be negative 7191. Negative 7191. Dapat kani siya ang answer po daan ni kay negative 7191 dapat kung dili there must be something wrong. Okay, so what is this 5a squared, that's 3 squared, that's 9 times 5 pila man na 9 times 5 45. Okay, kani kay makaya-kaya lang no. B to the fourth, well b to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2, that's 16, right? 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 so 16 lang. 6 times 16, well calculate din ako no. 16 times 6 96. So 96. Okay, how about this a squared, that's 9 pareho raman no. To be what 45 plus 96 here. Okay, now what's that 45 minus 96? 45 minus 96 is what 45 minus 96, that's negative 51. How about that 45 plus 96 is equal to 141. Therefore pila mo na siya kung i-times 141 times 51. So, negative lang na, wala akong ibutang. 7191. And we're very happy that we get negative 7191 here. And more or less, our answer is correct. Thank you.